If you've worked in financial services for decades, like us, you've seen banks grapple with their payments and financial crime testing, trying to keep up with the rate of change whilst keeping costs down. As you know, you only need to miss one thing to ruin day one of a system change for the bank and their customers. And the clock's already ticking before your next major change. It would typically take about 6 weeks to do thorough test planning and preparation. Using AI, we profile everything that happens in your production environment to find all the scenarios and the edge cases in just 5 days. As our machine learns from your production data across those millions of transactions, we will profile in just 4 hours. And a small number of expert RedCompass Labs analysts can interpret your results fast. Taking us to day 1. Are you ready? RedCompass Labs D1R4Payments uses production data to change the game. Let's look at some real examples. A Tier 1 bank's European payment platform processed around 3 million transactions per day. We calculated that to achieve 100% coverage of functional processing events across SEPA and international payments, our client needed to test 30,000 specific scenarios. Problem is, using automation and over a dozen manual testers in a 3-month cycle, the bank could only run 10,000 scenarios, leaving them with 20,000 scenarios untested. As we all know, it only takes one of those to put the CEO in the press. With D1R4Payments, just 3 RedCompass Labs analysts can run those 30,000 scenarios in a single week. Do the math. Running Agile with continuous sprints, that's over 350,000 scenarios in that same 3-month period. And by the way, if you dared to dream and worked with one of our big tech partners in a scalable cloud environment, you could test every scenario and edge case. Again and again and again. Then you'd really be ready for day 1. Testing powered by D1R4Payments enables banks to test over 200 times faster, increase scope by more than 20 times, and slash costs by at least 30%. And we can prove it. The power to redefine the future of payments is in your hands. D1R4Payments can help you deliver it better, faster, and cheaper. Are you ready?